Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add Yelp reviews to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Squarespace, and when you're going to be here, just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a Squarespace Yelp reviews. So let's click sign up for free. Now if you want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, it's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in search Yelp. And here you want to click Yelp reviews. Let's create a widget. And now you can just carousel, slider, or grid even. I'm going with a normal reviews widget. You just add here your URL. You just change the filter, like minimum rating and total number of reviews to show. Like 4, 5, whatever. Then you have content here. You can go change the content width to like 50%. And you can change the colors and review style that I'm going to delete review source. And voila, here we got it. So now just click save. And right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. And you can choose the annual plan too. Let's copy the code. Here, just click plus, search content blocks code, and paste the code here. Apply. And just wait until it's going to load. Let's click done and save. And voila, here we got it. What I recommend, like this is 50%. What you can do is to change the to 100% and it's going to be much bigger. So this is pretty much it how we do it, and this is how you can add Yelp reviews to your Squarespace website. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.